Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I have a back to school makeup tutorial for you guys on this look right here that I'm wearing. This look is really quick and easy. It takes 10 minutes to do, and this is honestly my go-to makeup look for every day or for whenever I'm in office for work. If you guys are interested in knowing how to achieve this quick and easy, beautiful makeup look, and if you're interested in knowing what products I have been loving for every day and for work, then make sure to keep on watching. Alright you guys, so to start off, we're going to go in with primer. I have the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I absolutely love this primer, you guys. It's perfect for back to school, especially for longer days when you're on campus, and it's also great for like a full day of work. You know that your makeup will be intact for the whole day. I concentrated that on my T-zone. Next, I'm gonna go in with color corrector, and I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Peach Luster color correcting stick. I don't know what it is about back to school, you guys, but I am just so excited. I feel like this time of year is always really exciting because it's all about new beginnings and fresh starts. All right, you guys, color corrector is done, and now it's time for some foundation. So color corrector is actually a step that I sometimes would skip when I was rushing for school, or even now when I'm rushing for work. Sometimes color corrector is something that I don't do, and my makeup still looks good, but it's just an extra step that I like doing if I have the time, so I thought I would share it in the video. Currently, my go-to foundation for every day going to work is the Too Faced Born This Way Matte Foundation. When I was a student, I used to love the original Too Faced Born This Way foundation, so I thought it was appropriate to share this as a back to school option. I absolutely love how this foundation wears. It's so effortless, it gives the perfect amount of coverage, and it lasts throughout the day beautifully. Next up, I like to do this step while I'm doing other parts of my face. This is the Too Faced Lip Injection Maximum Plump Extra Strength Instant and Long-Term Lip Plumper. So I like to just top this on the lips and let it do its thing while I do my eyes, my brows, and just other parts of my face. It's just part of the routine, and it really gives you a nice plump to your lips, and lipstick just goes on beautifully after you plump up your lips. Next up, I want to brighten up the face and add some concealer. This is my secret ingredient, you guys. This is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. I feel like this concealer is such a game changer for your makeup routine, and everyone that I recommend this product to literally feels like they transformed their makeup look. Like, I always get really good feedback, so definitely this is a key product that I like to use. It's such a simple thing, and it really just elevates your look and brightens up the face. So I like to apply this on my T-zone and under my eyes, and then I'll just blend that out. I'm definitely one of those girls that still uses a lot of concealer. I have no shame. I'm still stuck in 2016, but I'm here for it. I'm gonna blend this all out with my beauty blender and set it in place with the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder, and I use the shade Pound Cake. I've set the concealer in place, and I'm just going to leave the setting powder on my face for a little bit, and while it's kind of doing its thing and absorbing, I'm going to take my Hoola bronzer. This is what I'll be using today to contour the face, but I also like to just take a little bit of it and just dust it onto my crease, and this is just to add a little bit of color onto there. Nothing crazy for every day, but I like to just add a little something for definition. I'm going to take the remaining setting powder and just buff that into the face, because I'm going to use powder products to contour, blush, and highlight the face. So I want to make sure that the foundation is nice and set. I'm going to wipe away the gloss because it's done doing its thing. Taking the Hoola bronzer, I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to just dust a little bit on the sides of my nose, just a really rough nose contour, because obviously we don't have time to do a proper nose contour in the morning when we're rushing to work or school. I want to wrap up my eyes and do my brows. So for brows, I'm going to use the Gimme Brow by Benefit. I'm going to show you guys just how easy it is to do your brows with this product. I use this for everyday and glam because honestly, brows is something that I don't like to spend too much time on. So what I'll do is literally just brush them out and this just adds some color, some definition, and just really nicely cleans them up, and I just love the finish. So next I want to wrap up the eyes. I'm going in with some mascara, and I'm going to be using my go-to mascara for every day. This is the Rare Beauty mascara, you guys. I have like a mini sample, and it's a completely beat up sample, and that is because I absolutely love this mascara. I literally use it every day. I use it whenever I go to work, whenever I go out. It's just been my favorite at the moment. I definitely need to buy a full-size version, so I'm gonna go in with this product. Eyes are done. Look how cute this mascara is, you guys. I just love it, and it really doesn't take that much effort to get such a beautiful lash look. So next up, I want to go in with some blush, and usually for blush, I like to grab like a nice soft pink, and I'll just grab whatever is on hand when I'm rushing to work, and I think a soft pink color is perfect for back to school. It's perfect for an everyday look. So at the moment in front of me, I have the Persona blush. This is the Super Blush in the shade Caramel. I have this in front of me because I recently shared it in one of my recent makeup tutorials. If you guys haven't checked that out, I'll have it linked up here and also down below in the description box for you guys. I think this is a perfect everyday blush. Anything that's soft, neutral, pink, I think is perfect for every day. Perfect for work, perfect for school. So we're gonna go in with this today. I'm gonna apply just a little bit on the nose, just a little bit on the chin. For highlight, I'm going in with my favorite. This is the Fenty Beauty Hustle Baby. And the very last thing I have to do is my lips, and I grabbed my makeup bag because obviously I always carry my go-to lip products in my makeup bag. First of all, can we just take some appreciation for how beautiful this makeup bag is? My colleague made it for me, and it's so cute, and it's really nice and big. Like, I can hold a lot of stuff in here, which I absolutely love. Like, I have a hand cream in here, I have a face powder. As you guys can see, I have a bunch of lip products, so these are just kind of like emergency things that I like to keep on hand with me. And this is actually something I recommend if you are going back to work or back to school. Definitely keep like a emergency kind of makeup bag with you. It always comes in handy, trust me, especially when it comes to lips. Like, as you are going throughout your day, you're eating, you're drinking, you're gonna lose your lips, so you definitely want to have some products to touch up. I'm going in with a dark brown lip liner. This is by ColourPop. This is basically my go-to lip liner. Any sort of darker, more on the brown side lip liner is what I like to gravitate towards for every day. So I'm just gonna quickly line my lips. And my go-to lipstick is a Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. This is a matte lipstick in the shade Supermodel. My mother-in-law gifted this to me, and you guys can see it's basically done because I absolutely love this color. It's a perfect soft pink that is going to work beautifully with the cheeks. Lastly, I want to set my face in place, and I'm going in with the St. Luxe setting spray. Alright, you guys, so that is basically it for today's back to school makeup tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. This is also a great everyday or going to work makeup look. This is honestly my makeup look whenever I am in office. So I absolutely love this look. I think it's quick and easy, and I absolutely adore the products that I use today. If you guys want to see more videos by me, then make sure to check out my channel, and also don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Everything that I shared with you guys today will be listed down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check that out. And you guys, that is pretty much it. I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys!